good afternoon to all of you. First of all, in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, I would like to say thanks to Global Spoken English for giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. I am Valia Parveen. I am a student of Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on English language. My dear friends, we all have to know that what is the importance of English language in this era. It's very necessary for all over the world. It is a common language. Students can go abroad if they have the proper and well speaking of this language. In the modern times, English is critical for everyone. In India, there are many folks read this language. So everyone has to learn it and speak it for the better and bright future. It will become very profitable for the students. There are many advantages of this style. No one can avoid it because it's necessary for everyone. People can use it internationally. And the other regional language of the country is absolute good. But English language in our life has most needs and importance. And English language is the best in the worldwide. So finally, I want to say you all, you should know importance of English language. You should focus on learning if you really want to do something best in your life. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a good day.